Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus 6 SST2 National Book Foundation Unit number 11 Sound. Today we will discuss about SLO base according to FBISC requirement, exercise, MCQs and also comprehensive questions. Now we can solve question number 1, 2 and 3. It means question number 1, 2, 3 in part 1. Now we will start first of all MCQs. So multiple choice question. In multiple choice question, first statement, which is not true for sound. Here, four options are given. Sound is produced by a vibrating body. Number two, sound travel due to vibration of pressure in air. And C, sound transfer energy along with the matter of medium. And also in D part, sound is compressional and longitudinal wave. So we can answer the first part as a not true. So third statement C part is not true. Sound transfer energy along with matter of medium. Now in second part, sound travel faster in first part rubber, second air, C water and D steel. So we can know about the definition of sound. Sound is travel in solid, liquid and gases. In gases, it will be travel very slow speed approximately equal to 343 meter per second, or in liquid it is 5 times more than gases, and in solid it will be 15 to 17 times faster as compared to gases. So answer of second multiple choice is D part steel. Now in third, sound speed of sound in air at 0 Celsius is 332 meter per second. What is the speed in vacuum? We know that according to that definition, speed of sound require the medium. Sound require the medium for their propagation. Here in vacuum, speed of sound or sound cannot be traveled. So the answer of third MCQ of multiple choice, that is 0. Now in fourth part, threshold of hair has intensity. So in multiple choice of four options, his answer is 0 decibel. Now in fifth MCQ, frequency of sound wave in air is double. Its speed will be. Now we know that if the frequency is double, then speed will also double because V is equal to F lambda. Now in next part, sound having frequency are called infrasonic waves. Now given option infrasonic wave, that wave of sound that is less than 20 Hz. So answer of this part is B part, less than 20 Hz. Now in 7, minimum distance of person from the obstacle of sound to be hear echo is. Minimum distance is the smallest distance, so it will be equal to 17 meter. Now in next part, which of the following properties of wave is directly related with the loudness of sound? So this part of answer is amplitude, because loudness is directly proportional to square of its amplitude. Now, in the next part, MCQ number 9, intensity of hair should pain loudest audible sound without pain to the ear. Now, this value is 10 raised to power minus 12 watt per meter square. That is equal to I naught. Now we will move the comprehensive question number 1. In question number 1, what is sound? How it will be produced? Explain with example. Here, first of all, answer the question sound. The sensitive part of our ear is called sound. In other words, we can also say that when vibrating body is produced a sound. Explanation: sound is a form of energy. It travels through a medium in the form of longitudinal wave. When sound fall on air membrane, it will be produce the sensation on hearing. That means it is a vibrating body produce a sound. Now, production of sound disturbance and vibrating is needed for a production of sound. In tuning fork experiment, we can know that when the pawns are tuning fork or stick on a rubber band, then it will be vibrate and produce the sound. Then this shows in a diagram. Here we can see that tuning fork produce two parts of the wave in a compression and rarefaction. Here we can see that in a compression and rarefaction, when molecules are very tightly close to each other, this is mean that is a compression. And here molecule are parts, then this is called a refraction. Now we will further discuss about in question number vibration of wings of sound are also vibrating body produce a sound. Now, for example, sound wave can produce by bowling or shaking of different objects. Now we can say that these are the examples of sound. In question number 2, what with the help of experiment shows that sound have required the medium to travel. In this diagram, we can take a bell. Now we can electric bell connected in a vacuum jar and we can produce attached with the vacuum pump, electric bell, ball jar and switch of cork and also produce the electric connection. Now we can produce the experiment. Let us take the electric bell and also air test glass. Now we can take the ball jar and electric ball jar can be inside it. Then we have produced an experiment. The ball jar is connected with the vacuum pump. Now see in a figure you can see that you press the bell and switch on, you can hear the bell of electric bell. Now we can produce this switch of the vacuum pump, then air in the jar will pumped out. Then this is the produced in a vacuum. Then vacuum is produced, so we can say that current are produced and bell are vibrating. But due to the vacuum, sound required a medium to for their propagation. Here sound is no in a vacuum or inside the ball jar where we cannot hear able the sound of bell jar. When complete air is pumped, then without air, you will not be able to listen any sound of electric bell. Now, in question number 3, what is the nature of sound wave? How do the wave propagation? we can explain and also see in this diagram. So we can explain sound wave are longitudinal in nature. These are also called the pressure wave. When any object or source of sound vibrates, then the vibration causes the vibration of molecule of medium, air, fluid and etc. So we can say that sound is a longitudinal nature or a mechanical nature of a sound. So these waves are also called a pressure wave, and sound is produced by the vibrating body, and vibration is converted into the change of vibration after transforming it. Now we can say that it is the energy into the molecule of medium till the sound wave. Now we can also say that travel through the medium. Actually, when an object vibrates, its vibration shows extension of kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is transmitted to the medium of molecule, and these molecules transferred acquire the kinetic energy to the next molecule of medium. Due to the kinetic energy, these molecules start to vibrational movement in the forward direction. So we can say that the vibrational energy produced by a sound source is transferred from one point to another point. Sound wave are the combination of compression and rarefaction. So what is the compression and rarefaction? Compression is the high pressure and within the sound wave, where the molecule of medium acquire a low velocity. Similarly, we can say that which is produced due to the vibrational kinetic energy of sound source.